Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. It's 16 today, tomorrow is the MH AAC CET exam. I wish you all the best. In this video, these are the various figure sketches. I'm trying to add them in a composition with suitable background. Actually, these sketches do not relate to each other. It's just a practice to composing a memory drawing. I have got a lot of questions from you guys and I will try to answer them all as per my knowledge. Vaishnavi Babar has asked BDES and BFA which one is the best course. So the both are good courses in their own way, but one benefit BFA is having that after BFA you can directly get admission for MDES, Masters of Design, with those students who have completed BDES, Bachelors of Design. With them, after even completing BFA, you are getting admission for MDES. And those students who have done BDES can't go and get admission for direct MFA. That is the advantage of doing BFA. You can either go for Masters of Fine Art MFA, or after completing BFA you can directly go for MDES, Masters of Design. Namrata has asked Devanagari script is used by how many official languages in India? And the options are A1, B2, C3 and D5. All options given are wrong because there are 22 official languages and English as an additional language in India. Among them Bodo, Dogri, Hindi, Konkani, Maithili, Marathi and Nepali etc. These languages are using Devanagari script for writing. So almost it's more than 7 and you can't find that right option there. So that's what I said, options are wrong. Nitesh has asked one more question, sir. Does JJ Art and JJ School of Applied Art have different selections? Yes, of course, both will be considered as a separate colleges or different colleges. So their cutoff list also different and their admission process is through the MH AAC CET. But just like any other college, like any other government college, they are having their own cutoff list to get admission there. Sir, how many marks shall we score to get admission in government colleges like Nagpur and Aurangabad if we do not qualify for JJ Arts? Actually, you have to score 110, more than that. That will be a good score for any other colleges except JJ. Aditi has asked, is board is very necessary? No, that is not very necessary. If you can work on the desk, then it's fine. You can go without board and put your drawing sheet on the desk and then you can work on that. But it's very convenient if you are having a appropriate size of board. नम्रता हैज आस्क्ड लीड पेंसिल का लीड कौन सा लेना चाहिए ऑब्जेक्ट ड्राइंग के लिए? एनी लीड विथ अप्रोप्रिएट साइज विल वर्क विथ एनी मैकेनिकल पेंसिल एंड आई डू नॉट kind of feel any difference between expensive lead and cheaper Camlin lead of same grades. Both means expensive and cheaper brands works fine for me. Amogha plays asking shading के लिए कौन सी पेंसिल यूज करना चाहिए? So I would say whatever you are practicing till now, those pencils will be good. Otherwise don't go, means it's only 1 or 2 days left for the exam, so don't change your brands. Don't go for any other pencil which you have never ever tried because that might spoil your work in exam. So whatever you are doing till now and which you are like very comfortable with, those pencils and those grades you should go. Afisa has asked, sir AMU में बस स्टिल लाइफ ही होता है क्या या अदर? सर आपके टाइम में क्या ऑब्जेक्ट रखे गए थे प्रैक्टिकल के लिए? AMU में कौन कौन सी पेंसिल्स यूज़ करनी होती है, प्लीज़ बताइए, प्लीज़ बता दीजिए. ओके. In AMU there were 2 paper. One was still life and another was that one theory paper. Theory paper they conduct first and after that the second paper will be still life. And in 2019 the objects were drinking water bottle, chips packet and something was there which I don't remember now. Some kind of fruit or bananas maybe. I'm not sure about that. So these were the objects for still life. And you can use any pencil according to the tonal values you want to show there. So these were the questions I got through comments, and of course if you are having more questions you can just try, I will try to answer them. Once again, I would like to wish you all the best for your exams.